It was close to a year back when we all came here to this village, and we realized that there is no electricity here. And it was then when Ryan decided that I want to lit this entire hamlet of 15 houses. We go back and we start working on our budgets. And when the budget comes in, it's difficult. I'm sure you all know that it's going to be huge litting these 15 houses. And that's when Natty was sent to us like an angel, and she immediately called up Ryan and she said, Ryan, I'm ready to take this up and I'll try and work out something and we'll see, we'll get a donor for this. So a big thank you to our lady Rotarian, a Rivierite, Natty, who's always been helping the club. Natty, it's because of you this has been possible. So thank you so very much.
So we're out here at the Keri village, a very beautiful scenic village high up in the mountains in the Kotigaon sanctuary. It's almost like a 2-hour climb from the last point where the vehicles can come. So we came over here in August of 2020 and discovered that these villagers didn't have electricity, basic electricity, and the kids can't study in the night, can't study in the evening because there's no electricity. And it was my passion to come back out here, give them a full-fledged solar system where at least lights could run for at least 3 to 4 hours post the sundown, and the kids could have an opportunity to charge their mobiles, charge their laptops or whatever, to be able to study since it was all now moved online. It's been a dream which ultimately has now fruitified, though it's now almost at the end of my term, but thanks to everything falling into place, it's now fruitified. I am very, very thankful to all my team members who have rallied around this project of mine. I'm immensely grateful to Dr. Gautam Daftari, who has come forth to sponsor this entire project. Our club by itself would not have been able to bring forth the kind of money which was required to put up this project. He was very kind and accepted the letter that I sent him, and within 10 minutes time he turned around saying, yes, go forth with the project, I will sponsor the entire thing. So we're very, very thankful to Dr. Gautam Daftari of the Vallabh Foundation.
फाटले 6 दीस जाले आमी आमची टीम सरान ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिल्या प्रमाणे आमकां एक काम करूंक मेळ्ळें अशा लोकेशनार जे केरी ते कोणी आयकुंकूच नासतले, जे दोंगराचेर आसा, आनी आमकां ह्या लोकेशनार हाडपाक सुद्दां मातसो त्रास जालो, बट नो वरीज. बट काम सरान ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिल्या बद्दल आमकां काम एक डिफरंट करपाक मेळ्ळें, विच इज अपार्ट फ्रॉम अवर डेली शेड्यूल.
आणि थँक्स अगेन टू डॉक्टर गौतम दफ्तरी, ताका लागून आज तुमकां इंडिपेंडन्स जावन आयज तुमकां फर्स्ट टाइम हांगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावल्या. सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी गुड अचीवमेंट.
देवाकडल्यान देव बरें करूं तुमकां. आनी आयज सांगलें की तुमकां आमकां लायट जाय तेन्ना बाबा आमकां कितें जाल्यार मिक्सर चलपाक जाय, आमकां मिरसांग वांटपाक त्रास जाता म्हणून सांगलें न्ही. त्या प्रमाणे तुमी आदार केले आनी पावले. आमकां देव बरें करूं तुमकां.
समज लॉकडावन पडलें तेन्ना आमकां ऑनलायन अभ्यास आसतालो तेन्ना भुरग्यांक खूब त्रास जाताले. मोबायल खंय चार्ज करप, पावर बँक हाडपा पडटालो. मागीर आतां सद्या लायट येयली न्ही, आतां हांगा चार्ज करून आमकां यूज करपाक मेळटलो. नेटवर्क मेळटा पूण मोबायल चार्ज करपाक खूब प्रॉब्लेम जातालो. जो आतां मोबायलाचेर जाता.
प्रत्येक गांवांत लायट आसता पळय आमकां दिसतालें मनाच्यान सुद्दां आमगेलेच हांगा कित्याक ना अशें म्हणून ह्या तुमी केलें तें मोठो उपकार आसा आमकां.
It feels great. There is immense sense of satisfaction amongst the entire Riviera family.
So a very big thank you to Dr. Daftari for connecting this village of 15 houses to a solar by giving them a solar system. They now have electricity in their homes, individual homes. So very big thank you, Dr. Daftari.
A very, very big thank you to our dear Lady Rotarian Rivierite, Natalie Vaz. This has been possible because of you.
And this was all in memory of late dear Peter Vaz. Peter, you're up there and you will be smiling on us.